In 2013, the government of Uganda finalized the first phase of computerizing the land registry, with the expectation that this would check the fraudulent acquisition of land titles, ease the issuance of land titles, and reduce queuing at the land registry. But the first witness before the Commission of Inquiry into Land Matters claimed that some Lands Ministry officials have abused the system to defraud Ugandans.
Today, what has been entered into the computer, the Sasa Chief land, which is now vested in Buganda Land Board, or His Highness the Kabaka of Buganda, is shown as having only 39 acres. The individual's land, which measures 488 acres, is shown to have only 49 acres.
A lawyer, Peter Mulira, who is an expert on land law, says the discontent stems from what he claims is manipulation by some officials. Mulira argued that there is no law to back the implementation of the online registration of title deeds.
I'm appealing to this commission. If you are going to do your work properly, first take immediate custody of the land files. Secondly, look into the computerization system, because we have finished the papers. We are going to apply for a constitutional court case to stop the theft, because it is a theft.
Mulira also submitted on what he considered the biggest challenges to land administration in Uganda.
The breakdown of the traditional system of land holding in the country. 2, thefts which have taken place in the system, especially at the land office.
Some say the biggest challenges affecting Uganda's land sector are deeply historical, made worse by some selfish political actors who use land for political gain. A new discussion has re-emerged on whether Uganda should ditch the 4 land tenure systems currently in place for the 1 land tenure system, as was the case in the 70s. In the 1970s, the President Idi Amin Dada passed a land decree making land a state asset. But this was revised in the 1995 Constitution, taking into account the subsisting 4 land tenure systems: Milo, freehold, leasehold, and customary. Article 273 of the 1995 Constitution provides that land belongs to the people of Uganda. Government officials have previously argued that the land tenure systems have bred cartels which inflate the price land, thus frustrating national development projects.
So we went back and there was a shift from land being vested in the state to land being vested in the citizens. So now we have a legal question which continues to glare around us, and we have not been able to resolve who exercises this power on behalf of the citizens.
The Assistant Commissioner says this was the basis of the proposal to amend Article 26 of the 1998 Land Act, which states that no person shall be compulsorily deprived of property or any interest in right of a property of any description except where taking possession is necessary for public use and or is made under the law after prompt payment of fair and adequate compensation. On whether government should be empowered to legally acquire private land for public infrastructure like roads, veteran lawyer Mulira said he would root for private interests.
Amend Article 26 on its own in order to give itself power to take over people's land. 2, it's not the role of government to nurse investors.
Witnesses claim that rampant corruption has riddled the lands ministry.
If you want to stop frauds in this country, the Commission should take charge, should take into custody with immediate effect the land files at the land office, because that's where the fraud starts from.
Battled Commissioner for Land Registration, Sarah Kulata Basangwa, was suspended in October 2016 over allegations of fraud. Other witnesses also gave recommendations to the Commission of Inquiry. The Commission has 3 months from 9th May to produce a draft report to the President, while the full report is expected in 6 months from the date of first public hearing held this day. Shilando today.